Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Modern MD271UL monitors. So friend, MSI has proudly announced that the Modern MD271UL monitor has won the prestigious Red Dot Award 2023 for outstanding design and innovation. So friend, it is a 27-inch 4K monitor that offers an impressive visual experience with its white color gamut and advanced EyesErgo technology, and it is tailored for efficiency and productivity with a touch of professional style. And the monitors are inspired by mid-century model style. And friend, the low-key and breathtaking functionality comes with a sleek and minimalistic design. It meshes well with stylish home and office furniture, and it is an elegant decor in any living room, and it is designed not only for working but also for personal lifestyle. So friend, it offers a wide color gamut with 95% of Adobe RGB, 99% of DCI-P3, 139% sRGB, ensuring accurate and lifelike color reproduction for an enhanced viewing experience. And friend, its EyesErgo Technology is one of the most major features, which include TUV-certified anti-flicker and less blue light. As a result of EyesErgo's eye strain reduction technology, it is the perfect solution for people with a lot of screen time in their work. And friend, it also comes with ergonomic adjustable stand that allow user to find the perfect viewing angle for their comfort, and its tool-free design brings the most convenient user experience. And friend, the MSI Display Kit software also provide users with a range of intuitive settings, including display mode and screen time reminder, to promote healthy viewing habits and reduce eye fatigue. And friend, it features a sleek and a modern look with a 90-degree cable connection design and cable management, providing a clean and clutter-free setup. And friend, the built-in USB Type-C connection with a 65-watt power delivery allow you to connect and charge your device effortlessly. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.